In the summer, I went to Malta to improve my English, and I saw that they organized second-hand markets in order to raise money to help disabled children. I thought it was a great idea. Some people can use the items you no longer need, and you can raise money to help people in need. I think the situation in Syria is serious now, so I suggested to my schoolmates that we could organize a second-hand market to help Syrian children. We did, and it was very successful. It was important that everybody participated. I am good at communicating, and I was in charge of asking people to donate items. Elizabeth is good at drawing, and she created the posters and signs. Peter is good at maths, so he was in charge of counting the money. The rest of my friends also had their own responsibilities. Everybody's good at something, and if different people work together, this benefits all of us.